Making homemade smoothies with your kids is a fun and nutritious activity that you can enjoy together. Here's a simple and delicious smoothie recipe that's perfect for little chefs. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 cup of frozen berries, strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of milk, or almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: 1. Let your kids help gather all the ingredients. It's a great way to teach them about healthy food choices. 2. Start by peeling the banana and breaking it into smaller pieces. Kids love doing this part. 3. Add the banana pieces, frozen berries, spinach, Greek yogurt, milk, and honey into a blender. 4. Now, secure the blender lid tightly. This is a good moment to explain blender safety to your little helpers. 5. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. Kids can watch the transformation and learn about how different textures combine. 6. Pour the smoothie into glasses and enjoy together. You can even let the kids choose their favorite glass or add a fun straw. This smoothie is packed with vitamins, protein, and fiber. It's not only delicious, but also a great way to sneak in some greens. Making smoothies together encourages healthy eating habits and provides quality bonding time. Enjoy your homemade smoothie adventure.